Hey designers, welcome back to PPPDesigner. Are you looking for tools to enhance your design projects with saving time and effort? Today I am bringing you 5 amazing websites that will add creativity, efficiency and fun to your design workflow. Whether it's creating illustration, mockup or interactive elements, these tools are something for everyone. Let's dive in right. Imagine a project where you want to visual to scream fun, creativity, and uniqueness. That's where Stubborn.fun comes in. It's a playground for quickly illustrations that instantly brings life to your design. From banners to social media posts, the illustration here are funny, customizable. You can change color, edit style, and adapt them to match your brand perfectly. For instance, I once used these assets for client event websites and it turns out to be a huge hit because of its playful vibe. How many times have you struggled to create something that feels lively yet professional? Stubborn.fun solves that problem and make designing fun again. We have all heard of Doodle Impulse from placeholder text, but what about placeholder visuals? Doodle Impulse replaces boring placeholder with a climbing and doodles that makes your wireframe pop. Choose your doodle style, yet your layout, and integrate fun placeholder directly into your design. It's a great for presenting prototyping that not only look like functional but also have a creative edge. I use Doodle Impulse for mockup when I want to impress client without going into detailed visuals. As a designer, we often face the challenge of making easily staged projects look engaging. Doodle Impulse is the perfect solution for that, practical, quickly, and eye-catching. What if I told you these are a single website that gives you access to ready-made illustrations for almost any theme or style? That's Unsmash, an absolute lifesaver for designers. From professional presentation to social media campaigns, Unsmash has it all. These assets are downloadable in multiple formats and are highly customizable. For example, I recently used this tech themed illustration for an app marketing campaign and the results are outstanding. We have all these moments where deadlines are tight and inspections is nowhere to be found. OnSmart take away the stress by providing quality illustration in just a few clicks for you. Have you even struggled to maintain consistency across your design system? Control.rocks offers a collection of intuitive design kits to help you streamline your workflow. Their kits are ideal for UI UX projects, letting you drag and drop pre-made components to build cohesive designs. Whether it's a dashboard, mobile app, or a web interface, Control.rocks help you work fast and smarter. I have used this tool for creating a dashboard design that looks polished without requiring endless revision. Maintaining design consistency can be a challenge, especially when working with teams. Control.rocks enhance so everyone stays on the same page, improving collaboration and efficiency. Static visuals are great, but what if your designing could move? Storyset allows you to create illustration that can switch seamlessly between static and animated, adding an extra layer of engagement to your projects. Whether you need static assets for a blog post or animated visuals for an explainer video, Storyset has you covered. You can customize color, style, and animation type to fit your brand perfectly. For example, I use this animation illustration for a client landing page and is directly improve the user experience. Animation can feel free to overclaiming to create, but Storyset simplifies the process, making it accessible even to designers who are not animated expert. That's a wrap, designers. These 5 tools are not just websites, they are superpower to level up your creativity and productivity. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and please do subscribe to Triple P Designer. It's a request, and hit the bell icon for more tips, tools, and tricks to fill up your design journey. Stay creative and see you in the next one. Bye bye.